Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can play games on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, simply go ahead and open up your Snapchat app right over here. From here you're gonna go to this section of chat. So go to the chat over here and go ahead and tap on any person. Then as you can see, we do not have the little rocket icon yet. So if you have the rocket icon, you will be able to play games with the person. So you just have to go ahead and access it. But if you cannot find it, you just have to go to your profile, go to settings icon on top right corner, go ahead and go to the help section, because you should be able to play. If you're not finding, go ahead and go to help center, and now you simply have to go ahead send them a request. So from over here, simply gonna go ahead choose a random reason for you to simply send out the form to them. Tap on no, tap on this submit, and you can see I try to restore my streak. This is the form. Go ahead, tap on the form, and here you're gonna add in information including username, email address of your account, mobile number, chat with one friend. You're simply gonna go ahead and remove that, and you're gonna add in the information including the problem. This is simply for the streak, so it's gonna open up for the streaks form. But you're gonna go ahead choose any other reason, and you're gonna fill out the form to send them a request for you to get your rocket site accessible so you can play games. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.